I want to make sure I understand what you said about the neutral object.
Yeah.
I think that was very helpful, but I want to make sure I got it just right. So
For
say
anabana or just neutral object, is it?
when you're facing a defilement.
Right.
So say I'm sitting here meditating, and then all of a sudden the radio comes on outside, and I get angry.
Yeah.
I get angry, and usually just the recognition of the defilement makes it dissolve.
Yeah.
But this time, I recognize it, but it just doesn't go away.
Yeah, right.
Then I shift to a neutral object, which is my breath,
Yes.
and stay with that,
Let it be anger, let it be.
and just let it be. Shift to the breath, calm myself down a little bit, calm
And
my
the
mind,
anger also weaker.
and then it comes, and then I go back to the recognition.
Right.
Okay.
Right. If you continue doing that, neutral object, mind calm down, very calm, also the anger calm. But you cannot learn. If you want to learn, if you a little bit calm down, you have the strength, then you come back again. Because you want to learn about this anger. Some people, they use only concentration, then you let it go. But next time come again. So you cannot learn. So that's why you can use the one object to calm down and learning process. It is a calm down and learning. Calm down and learning. And you can apply many ways. Because of daily life is you can use a lot of this calm down also. Very important. Because of many things happening. You cannot maintain all the time awareness continuously. So sometimes we need to calm down. Because of activity is can't stop coming. So the mind is, if you cannot stop the defilement, then next situation make more angry. Then the defilement over. Sometimes we need to calm down first. Then sometimes I use like this, and I daily life I practice. Sometimes I cannot handle my defilement, I use my concentration first. Then I free time, I call this story. And boom, come again. Okay, then watch.